Join me as I challenge myself to make money on Binance fast using these easy beginner tips. Binance is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges out there, and for good reason. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners looking to make some quick profits. In fact, I've seen people make thousands of dollars in a matter of hours using this platform. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when trying to make money on Binance is the market volatility. Prices can fluctuate so rapidly it's hard to keep up. You think you've made a killing, and then suddenly the market dips and you're left with a bunch of worthless coins. It's frustrating, to say the least. Another issue is the lack of knowledge. There's so much to learn when it comes to cryptocurrency trading, and it can be overwhelming. You've got to understand the different types of orders, how to read charts, and what the various indicators mean. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. And then there's the fear of losing money. Who hasn't been there? You've invested a bunch of cash, and then the market starts to tank. You're sitting there sweating, wondering if you'll ever see that money again. It's a nightmare, let me tell you. But despite all these challenges, I believe anyone can make money on Binance with the right strategies and mindset. You've just got to be willing to put in the work and learn from your mistakes. One of the best things about Binance is its user-friendly tools. They've got a ton of features that make it easy to navigate the platform, even for beginners. For example, they've got a convert feature that lets you instantly exchange one cryptocurrency for another. It's super convenient. Another key to success on Binance is understanding trading pairs. See, a trading pair is when you match two cryptocurrencies together, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You've got to understand how these pairs work together and how to use them to your advantage. It's a game changer. And then there's stop-loss orders. Oh man, these are a lifesaver. Essentially, a stop-loss order is an automatic order that sells your cryptocurrency when it reaches a certain price. So, if you're worried about losing money, you can set a stop-loss order to minimize your losses. It's like having a safety net. One strategy that has the potential to significantly boost your earnings is participating in Binance Launchpad. This is a platform that lets you invest in new cryptocurrency projects before they hit the market. We're talking about getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. It's a great way to make some serious money. Another strategy is staking. Essentially, staking is when you hold a certain cryptocurrency in your wallet and earn interest on it. It's like having a high-yield savings account, but with cryptocurrency. And the best part is, you can earn some serious passive income this way. But here's the thing, you've got to be careful when using these strategies. You've got to do your research and understand the risks involved. Don't just jump in blind, or you could end up losing a bunch of money. In conclusion, making money on Binance fast requires a combination of the right strategies, mindset, and tools. By leveraging Binance user-friendly features, understanding trading pairs, and utilizing stop-loss orders, you can minimize your risks and maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got any experiences making money on Binance, please leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on cryptocurrency trading.